and talk about something that is very important if you want to learn any sport or activity fast. That is commitment. Actually making the commitment to the learning process and making the commitment to yourself that you are not going to quit, because everything that you do in life is going to require some practice. I'm going to give you some really simple skiing examples, sports examples. If you decide, you know what, I really want to learn to ski, and you actually want to learn to ski, you have to commit to going through the uncomfortable parts of the process. You know, getting used to boots that maybe are not yours, getting, falling a few times because you're not quite sure how to do the thing, you know. But if you're not fully committed to the learning process, then what's going to happen is you're probably going to get bored, frustrated, tired, and you're going to end up quitting before actually reaching the point where everybody goes, that's why you start doing this thing, you know? A lot of times people will go for the first time to go skiing and they have not such a good experience and they're, well, you know, skiing was not for me. Had they known that if they had just kept going and maybe done it 3 or 4 times until the point where they feel a little more comfortable, they might have actually loved an activity that they could be doing for the entire rest of their lives. So just think about that. You know, skiing tricks, learning a musical instrument, there are all sorts of activities that require you to create the commitment. You know, they say it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert at something, and that is true. A lot of times people are like, oh, well, how do you know how to do this? Well, I've spent a lot of time doing it, going through the reps and doing it. And you can't go through all those reps to learn something to a high level of performance if you don't have the right level of commitment to yourself and to the thing and to the learning process. So there you go. There's Juan's Coaching Corner. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helps you learn your activity or sport or discipline a little bit quicker and helps you stick with it at least. All right.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.